Hi, this is Bakar back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about user journeys. So user journeys are basically looking at different paths that people have taken before an important event, or it can be after an important event. So for example, here we are looking at what people did before signing up. We have just given a name to this journey and we have chosen before performing this event. And this is the event that we are talking about. We can even look at what people did after this event if we want. And there are some other options like we can group different pages or events, and we can also exclude certain pages if we want. So let's go back to the report. We have selected all domains here because if the event is happening or there are multiple different websites or domains involved in the customer journey, you should be selecting all domains here. We are looking at the last 30 days of interactions here. So here we see a clear path that people have taken. They go to the home page, then they go to sign up, and then they go to SSO, single sign-on page, and verification and signed up. And 38% of the people start from here, and then complete this path or this funnel. Then we have another path here where people don't use SSO. As you can see in the previous one, there was SSO, single sign-on was one of the pages they have visited, but here they don't. And then another part here, this is another one here. They don't start from the main website, but they go directly to the sign up page and then they complete the sign up process. Another path here where they start from the AI social caption generator page, then go to sign up, single sign on, and then they complete the sign up. And we can also have this information in the list format here, where you can see all of the different paths people have taken. Let's open the complete list here. Here we can see the conversion rates from different paths. So they went to the home page, went to the sign up page, and then some other pages. So similarly, you can see all of the pages people start with, and then they end the conversion journey on the signed up event that we selected. So we're looking at all the paths people have taken before signing up here. Pretty powerful, and you can also increase the interactive depth here. So for example, if you want to look at more number of interactions or more number of paths during the customer journey, then you can increase the interaction depth here as well. We also have AI-powered insights in journeys. Let's look at some of the insights here. It's going to take a few seconds, but if you come back again the same day and you load the report, then it's going to be pretty fast. So let's wait for this. All right, so here we have the AI insights. So we're looking at total users, 575, average path length here, 3.3 steps, overall conversion rate, entry point, performance, user segmentation. So it is telling us how many are direct converters, how many use SSO, how many are pricing sensitive users, like how many people visited the pricing page in between, and different conversion funnel analysis, content performance analysis. So it's also looking at different content pages as well, and some other analysis and opportunities and recommendations are also given here. So if you're looking for pure insights, without looking at the chart or table, you can get a lot of insights from here. But if you want to analyze the chart and the table by yourself, then they're all yours and you can get all kinds of insights from there. So that's all about journeys, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. Thank you.